To plant strawberries from nursery pots, first prepare the soil by turning it over and removing weeds. Position the strawberry plants every 12 to 16 inches. Keep a pathway between each row. Dig a hole about twice as large as the pot. Pour soil mix into the hole. Remove the nursery pot and place the moist strawberry plant clump at the center of the hole. Check that the root crown is level with the ground. Press the soil down around the plant. Mulch the base of strawberry plants to retain soil moisture during summer. Cut off useless runners. Runners are the long stems that take root and consume all the energy of the plant. Harvest your strawberries when they are deep red. They will be much sweeter. Harvest often since they ripen fast.